Is news not objective? That is the question. Fox News, hard news, harping on old news. MSNBC, hard news, traditional liberals. Example, political opponents tip their hands and you can tell which side they're on. That's why we all be better served if journalists simply disclose their political bias and abandon all pretense of the objective journalist. Behind every report, every feature, every news item lies a worldview rooted in assumption. What's real? What's true? How do we find out? And why does it matter? Or to put it in terms, all news comes from a position. Here are the references I used. Thanks.